So one of the things that went wrong on the camper this trip is the pump went out. Um, this pump has kind of been acting funny for a while, but this time it actually completely stopped working, and I did a little examination on it, and this is what I found. The bolts that hold the body together through these holes right there, they're completely stripped out. And so the body itself it started coming apart and the pump was no longer working. So I had to get a new pump, which was like $136 at the RV dealer that I found. Could have got it much cheaper on Amazon, but we just did not have the time or the ability to have something shipped to us right now. You can see the whole thing everywhere is coming apart. So I'm not sure what caused that to happen. Just the camper's to 2013, so it's 8 years old, and we do use it a lot. So maybe it was just time, and this is just something that happens, or it could be all the crazy bumpy dirt roads that I drive on just shook the thing apart. I don't know, but just another thing that's gone wrong on the camper and had to replace over the years. These things are not made to last, apparently. Well, we have enjoyed our time here exploring Reno and Lake Tahoe, and we got to see my sister and her husband and their two kids, and our kids got to have some fun with their cousins, and it's been a great time. But we are about ready to move on, and we're gonna travel to Calaveras Big Trees State Park today and see some more exciting stuff. But we are sad to leave the area. And
yeah, I think it's just a really beautiful area, and I love that Tahoe is much cooler than Reno, because it was over 100 degrees at Reno, and we didn't have air conditioning. And here it's like 20 degrees cooler for the most part, and definitely at night it's cold. And the beaches are just gorgeous. I love that the water is like that beautiful teal color. It reminds me of the Caribbean or something. So I'm really gonna miss it. I wish we had more time to spend here, and I wish we could come back more easily, but it's just really, really far.
Noli, did you have fun meeting Jet and your
Yeah.
cousin Kalea?
Yeah!
What did you do when you were playing with them?
We went to Denny's.
Went to Denny's.
Is Denny's your new favorite restaurant?
Yeah.
What else did we do with your cousins?
We went to Lake Tahoe.
Lake Tahoe? Did you like Lake Tahoe? What do you like about it?
I like how there's lots of rocks.
What color was the water?
Green and bluish.
Was it pretty?
Yeah.
Okay.
I really liked the beaches. They're really nice. I like the water. The water is really clear and nice. It's a lot clearer than the lakes we normally go to. I liked how you can see the bottom, and there's fun rocks to jump off of and fly on. And I also saw a live crawdad at Lake Tahoe.
So I really liked seeing my cousins. Like, they were just the cutest things ever. And Lake Tahoe was really pretty. The water was crystal clear and the most beautiful color. Some of the beaches were rocky, but like a lot of them were sandy too. So like it was really pretty, and it was way cooler here than other places that were like 100 degrees. It was cool here. There were pretty sunsets, pretty trees, pretty water. There's weird bugs here too.
To reach our destination at Calaveras Big Trees State Park, we first needed to cross the rugged crest of the Sierra Nevada mountains. You can see that fire now big time, look.
Oh wow. Oh yeah, wow.
Is there fire?
Yep.
Are we driving towards
Forest
it?
fire.
The Tamarack Fire south of Lake Tahoe was one of the many fires burning in California during the terrible 2021 fire season. The fire, unfortunately, would soon be overshadowed by the much larger Calaveras fire, which burned within miles of the lake itself. It's like the curviest road I've ever been on. It's like crazy.
I know, this is horrible. It just keeps going and going.
This road is starting to look really sketchy.
I thought that was a road. Oh my gosh, this is wild.
But it's nothing compared to...
At least there's not a cliff.
Yeah, there is a cliff of that over there.
I'd be losing it. Well, there's trees at least.
Right.
What is this? What if
It's
another
like
car
one
is
lane.
coming? I know.
That's why I didn't take that other highway, because it was one lane, so...
A highway?
Yeah.
How is it called a highway if it's one lane?
At first I thought that was
Okay.
I might as well have just taken the other way.
I mean, the other way is worse than this.
I can't even see.
Golly.
Google is stupid. I don't know what it thinks when it takes us on these roads.
We've got kids getting sick in the back seat too. Of course.
You never know what to do. Like
Yeah.
sometimes there's county roads that are really nice and nice as nice as a highway that could be a shortcut, you know? Like you just don't know. We finally made it back to the highway.
Okay, who wants to go first? Me. Okay.
Our campsite is full of Yellowjackets.
So,
Brian's out there on the hunt.
a red
Must have been way worse because there's a trap full of like hundreds of them.
What? What did you say? He said, do you have a red step? I'm not telling. We're not.
We just arrived at the Calaveras Big Trees State Park campground here. The site we got, which we didn't have a whole lot of choice when we got it, barely fits our car and our camper on the pad. I had to park the car completely perpendicular to even get it on here. And there's another thing with this site. There is a bad Yellowjacket problem. And they're doing some construction on the water spigot over here. And I wonder if they hit a nest or something. Besides the cloud of Yellowjackets, there's a bunch of Yellowjacket traps surrounding this hole that they've dug for this construction, and there's one over here hanging in the tree too that is just absolutely full of Yellowjackets down in there that have died now. But it seems that we didn't draw the luckiest of campsites here.
God. One. I see one of your cards. Oh, look at this.
So they don't want to be outside with the Yellowjackets, so they're in here playing Uno.
Yellowjacket got it!
Oh my gosh, Yellowjacket.
A Yellowjacket did get in? What? Where are they? Alexa, you have to keep the door shut. I'm not getting it. Nope. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Get it, Alexa.
I'm going in the bathroom.
Hiya!
No, don't throw stuff at it, Nolan.
Push it out. Wipe it out. Push it out.
Alexa, wipe it out.
Alexa, you let it in. You gotta wipe it out.
Ah! Get away!
No, Nolan, it'll sting you.
Then why are you making me do it?
Come on, use this shit. Push it out. Come on.
Where'd it go? It's out!
No, it's not.
Notice I'm hiding behind the bathroom door.
Where'd it go?
What are you doing? Kylie's in here with me. Alexa needs to get it. Did you get it? Oh, you got it out? Oh my gosh. This is gonna be a really fun campsite. Just you were hiding under the table. I wondered where you went. Okay, it's all clear now. Phew.
The color
What you doing, Nolan?
Doing this sticker book.
You're doing a very good job. It's crooked. I try to keep like little activities like this in the camper for when either the weather isn't good or when somebody just needs something to do. And he was driving his sisters crazy, and this is so much better than doing that. Right, Nolan?
Yeah.
Yeah.